this router to do the EIRGP lab. So this is our first lab, basic lab for EIRGP. So let me take the console of this two router and it is booting. Until that time we will do the configuration here. So we can say this is the EIRGP lab. I will write here R1 configuration. Enable config T host name, same thing what we do. Just assign the IP interface E0 by 0. IP address you have 192.168.12.1. give space 255.255.255.0. we will write no shut and then interface loopback 0. I will give here IP address 1.1.1.1. give space 255.0.0. and here we need to write router EIRGP 1, then network ID. We need to write the network ID 192.168.12.1. so network ID will be this one. If you want to write the wildcard mask, you can write also. Even if you did not write, no problem. So because this is a classful IP, or if you want to write, we can write this way, and later I will show you when we paste this configuration also they will remove, because this is a classful IP. So now let me do this one. Network ID will be this one and the wildcard mask will be here 0255.255.255. so this is the R1 configuration here. Because this is a new router only, you can go and check also here. You can write show version and you can check show version. If you see you have 15 or above 15, yes you have 17, so this is good. No need to write no auto summarization here, because in the new version it is already disabled. So this is the configuration of R1. I will take this configuration and I will go to this one and I will paste here. So let me paste here. If you see here, no error, nothing, everything is good. Now we need to do for the R2 also. So let me do the R2 configuration here. I will write here R2 configuration. Enable config T host name R2, and then we can write interface E0 by 0. I will write IP address 192.168.12.2. give space 255.255.255.0 and we will write no shut. Interface loopback 0. IP address 2.2.2.2. give space 255.0.0.0. then we will write router EIRGP 1. same AS number you need to give, and network, write the network ID 192.168.12.0, and this is also enough because we are using classful IP. But if you want to write the wildcard mask, you can also write, and if you want to check here, you can check also. You write show run and write here pipe session EIRGP, and see here they remove the wildcard mask whatever I put, because this is a classful IP. If you see here I wrote like this. If you see here I wrote like this, but you can see here they remove, they taken only the network ID, because if the IP is having the classful, no need to write the wildcard mask. If the IP is classless, then only you need to write the wildcard mask. So even if you want to write, you can write like this, but they will remove that one. Okay, and here also we can write like this 0.255.255.255, and we can copy and we can paste this configuration in the R2. So I will go here, I will go to the R2, I will paste here. I pasted here. So now everything is good, and we need to wait for some time. After that we can check it is working or not. So let me, you can check in R1 or R2. You can see the neighborship is come up here, and you can write show IP route. This is the routing table. You can see here you are getting D. D stands for EIRGP. You can see here you have D is nothing but EIRGP. So if anyone want to go to this network, they need to forward to the next hop. This is the next hop. From this much time it is up, and this is our living interface. And if you see, this is the ID value, and this one is a metric. And if you want to ping, you can ping also, it will work 2.2.2. and if you go here also and ping here also you can check show IP route, and you are getting D, and right here ping 1.1.1. so ping is also working. If anyone want to go to this network, this is the next hop. From this much time this route is up, This is our living interface, and this is the AD value, and this is the time metric. And if you want to check the other routing table, what we can write, show IP EIRGP neighbor. So this is a neighbor table. This is H means handling, means how many neighbor we have. This is 0 neighbor. This is a neighbor IP. This is our interface which is connected to neighbor. Hold on time, up time, SRTT time, round trip time, and how many packets are in the queue, and what is the sequence number. You have this one. So this is a neighbor table. We can check show IP EIRGP neighbor. We use to check the neighbor table, and then we can write show IP. What we have, show IP, we check topology table, right? Show IP EIRGP topology. We need to check the topology table. So if you see, when I write here show IP EIRGP topology, you can see the topology table, and here is coming the P. P is passive, so it is good. And you can see, if anyone want to go to this network, then you have only one best path, that is one successor, and feasible distance, total distance is this one. So here we can see this is the 12.0 network, and here we have our network is 1.1. If anyone want to go to this one, then only we have one successor, and here feasible distance is this much. So this one we can say this is a topology table, complete picture of the network here. And we have, before we have the neighbor table, neighbor information will be there. Before that one we have the routing table. So this is a basic lab about the EIRGP. After that